Kirsten Bradford and I own Olimpiada Cleaning Services. Up until I joined CleanerMe, most of my cleans were only £12 an hour. Still feeling a bit deflated, thinking was I ever going to earn a decent wage when you account for all the hours you put in. Even 5 days a week wasn't going to really give me enough money that could cover me for a pension. It wasn't going to really give me the income and the freedom, all the luxuries that I'd hoped and also needed. It didn't seem as if there was a real going forward. Staying on the same money, it's just like stagnant. There wasn't going to be, I mean obviously there was going to be a future, but not expanding in the business in any shape or form. CleanerMe would have actually boosted my confidence. I would have had all the help, advice, all the forms, everything that I needed. I could have been clean free at least 12 months ago. Definitely the customer magnet system and the raising your prices, and you just can't beat the weekly meetings, the masterclasses, all combined into one pot and you've got success. A lot more confident. I actually see a future with expanding my business. I've already taken on one new employee. The reason I haven't taken on any at the moment, I'm still looking, is because I haven't found the right one for my business. A year ago I was earning £12 an hour and now I'm earning anything between £17 and £23 an hour just on standard cleans. Everybody.
Recommend it to everybody?
Everybody, because you've got nothing to lose. You can only gain from CleanerMe. You'll learn so much and you'll only wish that you'd done it beforehand. The sooner you join, the happier you'll be. You'll get that income or a good amount of dreams come true. My future now opens up a whole lot of options, more areas, and I just feel that I can just go out there now and achieve whatever I want to achieve. And it was the same with my employee. I kept putting it off and putting it off. When I was earning enough money to cover all my bills again after COVID, I jumped straight in the deep end and just got one of the best cleaners. I was so lucky to get the right cleaner straight away. So perhaps I've got that higher standard now that I am struggling to get a cleaner to match her.